Death is a reality, the final journey every soul must take. But what happens in Islam when a person passes away? Today, let's explore the Islamic funeral prayer, known as Salat al-Janazah, its origins, importance, and how it is performed. The funeral prayer, Salat al-Janazah, was established by the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, during his time in Medina. It's not just a ritual, it's a collective act of mercy, a final right due to every Muslim. The funeral prayer in Islam is an act of fard kifaya, a communal obligation. If some Muslims performed it, others are not held accountable. But if no one performs it, the whole community is sinful. It's a way to honor the dead, pray for their forgiveness, and remind the living of the temporary nature of life. The Janazah prayer is unique. There is no bowing or prostration. It consists of 4 takbirs and is performed while standing. Step-by-step breakdown. First takbir, say Allahu Akbar, then recite Surah Al-Fatiha. Second takbir, say Allahu Akbar, then recite Salawat, Durood Ibrahimi. Third takbir, say Allahu Akbar, then pray for the deceased. Fourth takbir, say Allahu Akbar, then shout du'as and conclude with salam to the right. In the third takbir, one of the most common supplication is Allahumma khirli hayyina wa mayyitina. Oh Allah, forgive our living and our dead. Who can lead and attend the prayer? An adult Muslim male can lead the Janazah prayer. Usually the imam or a family member. Both men and women may attend, though traditionally more men attend the burial. However, women are not prohibited. After Janazah prayer, the deceased is taken for burial, facing the Qibla. The body is gently placed in the grave. The burial includes 3 handfuls of soil and prays for forgiveness. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, whoever attends the funeral and prays for the deceased will earn a reward equal to 1 qirat, mountain of reward. If he stays until burial, he gets 2 qirat. Islam discourages loud wailing, lengthy rituals. The emphasis is on simplicity, sincerity, and dua. Remember, the soul benefits most from prayers, charity on their behalf, and righteous cheer children. Janazah prayer is not just a farewell. It's a final gift, a prayer of peace. Let us prepare for our own ending by learning this essential act of love and community. If you find this video beneficial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Islamic knowledge. May Allah have mercy on all our departed souls. Ameen.